So, it's a good thing I still haven't used my new iPhone, because I just realized when I posted the video that there was some content on there that necessitated me deleting it. So, now I can open this and my case and put it together. Huh? Did you say no one cares? Oh, nobody's naked. Well, then, nope, he's not naked. Nobody's naked in this one. But it is amazing. I have already done all of my setup and stuff, so it is open already, but it's still amazing. And I love this freaking green. I need to turn on the light so you can see better. Yeah, definitely the coolest looking iPhone yet. I think that's probably true of every iPhone that comes out, but I like that they didn't make the back glass again so that doesn't break. And then I haven't got really into the functionality of the camera, but I'm going to make some more like review videos as we go along.